Bitcoin price pushes above $44,000 as bulls regain control. We're next for BTC. Joel Frank last updated February 7, 2024 at 23:01 GMT plus 22 min read. The Bitcoin BTC price just broke above $44,000, its highest level since January 12. The world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap seems to be taking its cue from bullish momentum in U.S. equities. The S&P 500 came close to hitting the 5,000 level for the first time in earlier trade. The index was last up close to 1% on the day, with analysts citing a stronger than expected earnings season. This is likely supporting the Bitcoin price. Though the strength of the relationship has varied in recent years, the Bitcoin price has generally been positively correlated to movements in the U.S. equity market. Anticipation of easier financial conditions later this year could also be helping to support U.S. stocks and the Bitcoin price. While they signaled no rush to cut rates, various Fed policymakers jawboned about multiple rate cuts later in 2024. Bitcoin price also benefiting from these tailwinds. Two other tailwinds are also likely supporting the Bitcoin price right now. A key index of U.S. regional bank stocks is down 11% in the last month as bank crisis concerns resurface. Worries were triggered last week after New York Community Bancorp's dour earnings release, which resulted in a Moody's downgrade. Crypto traders will remember back to March 2023 when concerns of a widespread implosion of U.S. regional banks triggered a sharp upside in the Bitcoin price, which pumped from lows under $20,000 to nearly $30,000 in just 14 days on safe haven demand. Major crypto market thought leaders like Arthur Hayes have predicted that a U.S. bank crisis could return in March. That's because that's when a key Fed liquidity program that saved various regional banks last March is set to expire. This could send the Bitcoin price to $1 million, Hayes predicted. Meanwhile, as safe haven flows start creeping back, net flows into spot Bitcoin ETFs are acting as another major tailwind. As per ETF.com data, outflows from Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust GBDC continue to trend lower. On Tuesday, the newly converted ETF saw just $100 million in outflows, its lowest daily total yet. That was more than offset by inflows into BlackRock's newly launched ETF, which saw $137 million in inflows on Tuesday. Meanwhile, Fidelity Spot Bitcoin ETF clocked inflows of around $40 million on Tuesday. These two ETFs have attracted flows of nearly $6 billion since launching less than 1 month ago, nearly single-handedly canceling out the nearly $6 billion in outflows that GBTC has seen. Of course, there are another 8 newly launched spot Bitcoin ETFs that have also seen increased demand. With the bulk of GBTC selling now seemingly in the rearview mirror, net ETF inflows will likely provide an ongoing Bitcoin price tailwind. We're next for BTC. Back above $44,000 short-term resistance and its major moving averages, the Bitcoin bulls appear to be back in control. Indeed, the strong bounce from the 100 DMA in November 2023, support in the $38,000s in January looks to have been a short-term bottom. Odds seem strongly tilted towards the Bitcoin price moving back towards its 2024 highs at $49,000 soon. That's assuming ETF flows remain net positive and the market doesn't experience another hawkish repricing of Fed rate cutting expectations. With a bank crisis bubbling and the Bitcoin halving quickly approaching, the Bitcoin price could soon vault above $50,000. Follow us on Google News.